While the threat of heavy rain may have faded away for now, anyone driving in the Mid-South throughout the day not only felt heavy winds, but several areas saw flash flooding. ABC 24's Desmond Nugent talked to a Memphis Collision body shop manager about the dangers of driving your car through standing water.
Kevin, I'm on Summer Avenue near I-40 West, where some drivers had to rethink their decision on taking their vehicles up this ramp for that very reason. Car after car taking a chance driving through standing water, a decision Chris Cruz with Memphis Collison of Cordova says is not a common sense move.
If you do find yourself in water that's too deep, don't keep driving because you're going to make things worse. See if you can back out of it. If it's too far past that, stop. Get out of the car, get away from it.
Cruz says while they were closed on Saturday, he expects phone calls early next week.
That car that hits the water is probably sucking water up underneath it into their air intake, risking damage to the engine.
Cruz says even if you didn't take your car for a ride in today's severe weather, your vehicle can still be in what he calls the danger zone.
Water tends to pool in low areas. If you live at the end of a cul-de-sac that's lower, move your car, get it out of your driveway, get it to an elevated area.
While we haven't received any reports of car damage from flash flooding around the county, Cruz wants to warn people if you believe your car has flooded, please don't start your car. In Northeast Memphis, I'm Desmond Nugent.